Hello, friends. How are you all? Hope everyone is doing great. Today we've come to the farm. We don't have a fridge here, but we do have one at home. So we brought ice from home. We filled a sack with the chopped wheat husk after machine cutting and added ice into it. Now in the morning when we come to the farm, it's currently 5 p.m., we'll take out the ice. After that, we'll use it to chill fresh sugarcane juice that we extracted here on the farm and enjoy drinking it cold. Friends, let us know in the comments how you liked this desi, traditional idea. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is the fun of farming.